In this video, we're going to talk about how you can apply class names to static text in a header or footer section of a UX component so that the text is vertically centered in the header or footer section. So you can see we have a UX component over here. We have some header text and we have some footer text. And right now the header text is not being displayed as vertically centered in the header, and the footer text is also not vertically centered. So let's go back to the builder now, and let's first start with the static text that's in the header. We'll go to class names and we'll choose the iOS heading style over there. So let's go there and click OK, and now switch to working preview, and now we can see that the text is nicely vertically center aligned. And then let's go to the footer here, and this time instead of choosing the heading class, we'll just choose iOS text. And now when we go to working preview, we can see now that we've got a nice subtle footer. Of course, if we wanted a bold footer, we could have chosen iOS heading, and also that you can see that the text is properly vertically centered in the footer section over here. Now let's go back here and look at how we can generalize this. So currently this is using a class called iOS text, but if I were to switch to a different style name, say MOB blue or something like that, then iOS text would not be the correct name to use. So I'm going to go here and replace this now with dialog.style, which is the which uses the placeholder for the style name. So then I'm going to go back now to the header here and replace iOS with dialog.style. And so now when I go to working preview, you can see it looks good. But then when I go and I change my style now from, say, iOS to Mo Blue, for example, then you can see that my heading still looks correct and it's still properly centered. So by using the placeholders for the style name, dialog.style, we've been able to create a generic class name for the static text that's going to work regardless of the style that the component is using. And I've now created properly, nicely centered static text in the header and footer section. Thanks very much for watching.